Good morning everyone. Now I will teach you how to solder the car charger, cell phone charger on the 12 and 24 volts car charger. This time we will be using this power supply. First solder the wire. Add solder to a wire. Then add solder to the charger. The positive and the negative terminal. Then solder the positive, the red, on top. And the negative on this side. Now connect the red to the positive of the power supply. And the negative to the black wire. Then we will test now. Turn on the power. That's it. Now you can use this at home for charging cell phone and other. Okay. Thank you very much for watching.